Court comes down hard on West Bengal CID in connection to the Lalan Sheikh's alleged custodial death. Now, the court unhappy with CID's probe and asked them to hand over the case to CBI. Now orders no coercive action against CBI till next hearing. So that's the big breaking development that's coming in, where High Court has asked, the CID to hand over this particular case to the CBI. So it's a big development coming in the Lalan Sheikh alleged custodial death. Now, of course, remember, he's the main accused in the Birbhum violence. The latest development on this front is that the Calcutta High Court has come down hard on West Bengal's CID in connection to Lalan Sheikh's case. Now, the court was unhappy with CID's probe and has asked them to hand over the case to the CBI. Now, remember, after Lalan Sheikh allegedly died in custodial death, his family members also protested. But if you talk about the investigation so far, this is the latest development that's coming in. But the court is unhappy with CID's probe and asked them to hand over the case to the CBI. In fact, the CBI had also made certain points about it. For more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Tanushi to give us more details. Tanushi, good afternoon. We do understand now that the Calcutta High Court has come down hard on the West Bengal CID in connection to this case. But tell us what really prompted this particular move, and at the moment, where does the investigation stand currently?
Well, certainly the investigation is being carried out by the CID, and the court has stated that the CID would be continuing with the investigation, but the investigation would be carried on under the supervision of DIG CID and nobody lower than that rank. But the court has certainly come up very hard upon the CID, because the court has stated that what form of an investigation is going on, because the 164 statement of deceased Lalan Sheikh's wife has still not been recorded, and the court observed when it was stated by the state that, she's not in the correct state of mind. At that point of time, the court stated that if she can come for the hearing a day from Rampur Hat to Kolkata, if she can go to the police station to record a statement in the wee hours of the morning, then how come the 164 has not been recorded? Why is the mental condition being brought in then? Also, the court stated that they questioned Lalan Sheikh's wife, the court, via Lalan Sheikh's wife's advocate, that who had written the FIR, because certainly, as we understand, there are questions being raised as to who has written the FIR. At that point in time, Lalan Sheikh's wife stated that she does not know the person's name, but she knows the person who had written the statement, the complaint letter, which was being treated as the FIR. So certainly several questions are coming up regarding the investigation carried on by the CID, which is why the court has categorically stated that though the CID would be carrying on the investigation, but for proper investigation, it should be under DIG CID until the next hearing, and no coercive steps can be taken against the CBI until the next hearing. Now, the next hearing of the case is on the 6th of January, on the 5th of January, and certainly there would be several questions that have to be answered by the CID, because today also the CID were being questioned regarding why there was a botched-up investigation. Also, another very important point was that the CBI was asking for the inquest and the post-mortem report from the CID. Though the CID had not given it, today under court's order, the CID has been ordered to hand over the post-mortem and the inquest report. Back to studio.
All right, Tanushi, I appreciate you joining us on the broadcast and breaking down those details for us. At the moment, we leave it to that and shift our focus amid the ongoing, in fact, into breaking news.